Surfing has always been a fascinating sport. Now Instinct Solar can record surf activities. First, when you get a Instinct Solar, press the upper right button to find the Surf app. Select Surf app. Then wait for the GPS ticked icon to appear. Press the Start button on the upper right side. Now you can start surfing. When you finish surfing, press the Start button again to end the activity. Select Save. You will see the number of waves. That's how many waves you rode in this surf activity. You can also see different data from Garmin Connect Mobile. Once you know how to use your watch to record your surf activities, you will definitely make progress in the near future. Now let's go surfing.
For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.